Welcome to the Maths online class. Dear students, how are you all? I hope all are fine and safe. Children, today we are going to learn about Unit 4 Shapes, Roll and Slide. Okay, Unit 4 Shapes, Roll and Slide. Okay, children. Dear students, what are the 2D shapes, ma'am? What are the 2D shapes? Do you know 2D shapes, ma'am? Okay, children. So, square, rectangle, triangle, circle, pentagon and hexagon. Okay, hexagon are 2D shapes. Okay, children. Next, what are the 3D shapes, ma'am? What are the 3D shapes? Cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder and sphere are 3D shapes. Okay, so 2D means 2-dimensional shapes, 3D means 3-dimensional shapes. Okay, so square, rectangle, triangle, circle, pentagon and hexagon are 2D shapes. Okay, cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder and sphere are 3D shapes. Okay, children, is it clear? Okay, students, next one. Students, listen. Do you know flat face and curve face, ma'am? Do you know flat face and curve face? Okay, children, listen here. Children, listen. What is this, ma'am? Okay, so number card. Okay, so this number card, ma'am. Children, listen. So, for this face, flat surface. Okay, yeah, flat face. Okay, so this side also flat surface. Okay, so flat face. Okay, dear. So, this number card, children. So, this flat surface. Okay, yeah, so flat face. Next, children, listen here. Next, look at this one now. Children, this one also flat surface. Okay, yeah, this side is flat. Next, back side also flat surface. Okay, yeah, so this flat face. Okay, children. Next, students, listen here. What is this? Cup. Okay, yeah, so this cup. Children, listen. So this face, flat face. Okay, yeah, so this flat surface, but this one curve surface. Okay, yeah, this flat na, this curve. Okay, yeah, so this flat surface, this curve surface. Okay, is it clear? Okay, children, see the next object now. Children, listen. What is this, ma'am? What is this? Chalk piece. Okay, yeah, chalk piece, ma'am. Children, listen here. What is the shape, ma'am? What is the shape? Cylinder. Okay, so this shape, cylinder. Children, this face, curve face. Okay, so this face, curve face. Okay, children, next another one. Children, listen. What is the shape? What is the shape, ma'am? A sphere. Okay, so this shape, sphere. Okay, children, this one curve face. Okay, so this face is curve face. Okay, students, listen here. So this face, flat face now. Okay, so this face, flat face, but this one curve face. Okay, curve face. Okay, but this one flat face. Is it clear, children? So this one flat face. Okay, this one flat face now, but one curve face. Okay, curve surface. Okay, is it clear? Okay, children. See the next things now. Children, already we know. So this cube shape. Okay, this cube shape. Children, listen here. Cube shape, flat faces. Okay, this one flat there. This flat face. Next to flat face. Next to flat face. Okay, so cube has 6 flat faces. Okay, this fully flat faces. Is it clear, children? So flat face. Okay, cube shape has flat faces. flat face, next top flat face. Okay, yeah? But this one curve face. Is it clear, children? So this curve face, top and below flat face. Okay, so curve this one and that face flat face. Okay, students listen. Let us see the another example now. What is, children? Ruler. Okay, so is this ruler flat face or curve face? Flat or curve face, ma? Very good. Flat face. Okay, so this ruler flat surface. Okay, children listen. Next, children listen here. So thread. Okay, so this flat or curve face, ma? Is this object flat or curve face? Very good. So this flat face, this flat face. Okay, so two flat face and one curve face. Okay, children listen. So this flat, ma, next to this flat. Okay, but this one curve face. Okay, so two flat face and one curve face. Okay, next we take the book. Okay, children listen here. So this book. Okay, so this is this book flat or curve face, ma'am? Flat or curve face? Flat. Okay, so this flat face. Okay, children. Next this flat face. Okay, so this book flat surface. Okay, dear, is it clear? Okay, students. Students listen. What is mean by rolling, ma'am? What is mean by rolling? Can you guess? What is mean by rolling? Children, rolling means turning over and over. Okay, rolling means turning over and over. Okay, next slide. Okay, what is mean by sliding, ma'am? What is mean by sliding? Children listen. Next one sliding. Okay, so what is mean by sliding, pa? What is mean by sliding? Very good. So sliding means, children listen. So first rolling, next one sliding. Okay, so rolling means turning over and over. Okay, next sliding. So sliding means, children listen. So sliding means moving smoothly along a side. Okay, those first one rolling, ma, next one sliding. Okay, children, once again. So rolling means turning over and over. Okay, sliding means moving smoothly along a side. Okay, is it clear, children? Children, is it clear? Okay, so rolling means turning over and over. Okay, so sliding means moving smoothly along a surface. Okay, students listen. So first one rolling. Okay, so the objects having a, children, take for example, objects having a curved surface. Okay, curved surface with no corner can roll. Okay, objects having a one curved face with no corner can roll. Okay, example, ball. Okay, objects having a one curved face with no corner. Okay, can roll. Okay, children listen. Next one, sliding. Okay, already we know sliding means moving smoothly along a surface. Okay, for example, children listen. So this flat face. Okay, so objects having a at least one flat face can slide. Okay, objects having a at least one flat face can slide. Okay, so this one Okay children, see the slide now. So unit 4 day 8. Okay students, listen. So shapes that roll and slide. Okay, so today we are going to learn about shapes that roll and slide. Okay students, see the next slide now. Children, what is this? Battery. Okay, have you seen the battery ma? Okay children, does this object roll or slide ma? Does this object roll or slide? Does this object roll or slide ma? Battery. Children listen. So it will roll. Okay, it will roll. Okay children, see the next picture ma. What is this ma? What is this? Mobile phone. Very good. Does this object roll or slide? Does this object roll or slide ma? What is this face ma? What is this face? Flat or curve? Very good. Flat. So for this one, roll or slide? Very good. Slide. Okay. Students listen. So it will slide. Okay. Is it clear? Okay children. Listen now. Students listen. Students listen now. Children, what is this? Shape. Okay, yeah. So this rectangle shape. Children, is this shape roll or slide ma? Is this shape roll or slide? Very good. Children, first we find the surface. Okay, so this curve or flat? Flat. Okay, so flat. So this slide. Okay, children listen here. Look at me. Children, so this slide. Okay, yeah. Once again, so this slide. Okay children, so slide. Okay, next children listen here. What is this ma? Book. Okay, yeah. Is this book roll or slide? Children, look at me. This one slide. Okay, yeah. So this one slide. Okay, students. Next children listen here. What is this ma? What is this? Matchbox. Okay. So this roll or slide? Roll or slide ma? Very good. Slide. Okay, students listen. So this slide. Okay, once again. So slide out. Okay, students. Slide. Next. Students listen here. Next one. Children. So this chalk piece. Okay, yeah. So this roll or slide bar. Roll or slide. Can you guess? Children, listen to me. Okay, so this roll. Okay, once again children, look at me. Roll. Okay, roll. Okay, once again. Children listen. So this one, roll. Okay, next one children. Students listen. Next what is the shape mom? What is the shape? Very good. Cube. Okay, so this shape, cube. Children, so is this cube roll or slide? Roll or slide mom? Very good. Slide. Okay, children listen. Okay, slide. Once again. Children listen. Okay, so this slide. Okay, next children. Students listen. This small bottle. Okay, students listen here. So roll. Okay, students listen. So this sharp piece. Okay, students listen here. So this roll. Okay. Okay, students, roll. Is it clear, ma? Next, we take the thread. Okay, so this object roll. Okay, so this object roll. Okay, students, once again, so this roll. Okay, is it clear, children? Okay, so this object roll. Okay, dear. So once again, ma. So this object roll. Okay, this object roll. Children, next students listen here. So this duster. Okay, so this object slide. Okay, so this object slide. Okay, students listen. Okay, so slide. Is it clear, ma? Okay, students. Next, students listen. Next, we take the ruler. Okay, so this ruler, children listen. This ruler slide or roll bar. Look at me. Slide or roll. Very good. Slide. Okay, children. Once again. This slide. Okay, so this object slide. Is it clear, all of you? Okay, students. Next, children listen. So this object roll or slide, ma. This object roll or slide. Children listen. Very good. Slide. Okay, now this slide. Okay. Next, this one. Roll and okay, both roll and slide. Okay, children. So now this roll. Okay, this side slide. Okay, so listen, children. So both roll and slide. Okay, so this object have both roll and slide. Children, listen to me. Next, we take the number card. Okay, so number card slide. Okay, children, number card slide. Okay, number card is slide. Is it clear, ma? Children, listen. Next, we take the bead. Okay, beads, ma. So this roll or slide. Roll or slide, ma. Children, listen. Look at me. Children, listen here. So this roll. Okay, so this object roll. Okay, children, once again, this object roll. Okay, once again, children, so this object roll. Okay, this object roll. Children, did you understand, ma? Roll and slide? Very good. So rolling means turning over and over. Next is sliding. So sliding means moving smoothly along a surface. Okay, students listen. See the slide, mom. Children listen. So does this object roll or slide? Does this object roll or slide, mom? Very good. So book. So it will slide. Okay, students listen. So first we find out the surface. Okay, so the surface flat. Okay, so this object slide. Children, so it will slide. Okay, students listen. Next one more. Next object body. Okay, so does this object roll or slide? Does this object roll or slide, ma'am? Very good. Roll. Okay, so it will roll. Okay, children listen. So this water bottle. So this bottle cylinder shape. Okay, so it will roll. Okay, students listen. See the next one. Does this object roll or slide? slide. Okay, so it will slide. Okay children, so this brick, this flat surface. Okay, this fully flat surface, so it will slide. Students, see the next one. Does this object roll or slide? Children, what is this? Ball. Okay, what is the shape of the ball now? What is the shape of the ball? Sphere shape. Very good. So this shape, sphere. Okay, so does this object roll or slide? Roll. Very good. So this curve face. Okay, so it is curve face, so it will roll. Okay, so it will roll. Children, see the next one now. So does this ruler, okay, already we know ruler slide. Okay, so does this object roll or slide? So it will slide. Okay, students, see the answer. It will slide. Okay, students, listen. See the next one. What is this? Pencil box. Okay, what is this? Pencil box. Okay, students, listen. Does this object roll or slide, ma'am? Does this object roll or slide? Very good. Slide. Okay, so see the answer, ma'am. So it will slide. Okay, so pencil box. So pencil box, cuboid shape. Okay, so objects having at least one flat face can slide. Okay, objects having at least one flat face can slide. Okay, so but cuboid shape have 6 flat surfaces. Okay, so it will slide. See the next one. Children, what is this? Marbles. Okay, what is this, ma'am? Marbles. So does this object roll or slide? What is the shape of the marble, ma'am? What is the shape of the marbles? What is the shape, ma'am? Sphere. Okay, so sphere have only one curve face. Okay, so it will roll. Okay, it will roll. Okay students, is it clear? Children, so roll or slide. So objects with curve face roll. Okay, objects with curve face roll. For example, sphere and cylinder. Okay, next one, objects with flat faces. Okay, objects with curve face roll. Objects with flat face slide. For example, cube, cuboid. Okay, so first one, objects with curve face roll. Okay, second one, objects with flat face slide. Okay, so curve face example, sphere and cylinder shape. Next one, slide. So slide example, cube and cuboid. Okay, so cube and cuboid fully flat surfaces. Okay, is it clear, ma'am? Okay students, listen. Students, listen. Did you understand, ma'am? Children, once again. What is meant by rolling, ma'am? What is meant by rolling? So rolling means turning over and over. Okay, so rolling means turning over and over. Next we see the sliding. Okay, so sliding means moving smoothly along a surface. Okay, sliding means moving smoothly along a surface. Okay, children, listen. So marble and ball roll. Okay, yeah. So example of roll, ma. So beads, ball and cylinder. Okay, so this roll. Okay, children, listen. So objects having a one curve face can roll. Okay, so objects having a one curve surface can roll. Okay, so for example, cylinder, ball and wheels. Okay, so this roll objects. Okay children, so once again, so objects having only one curved surface can roll. Okay, next one children. Students listen. Next sliding. So sliding means moving smoothly along a surface. Students listen. What is this? What is this mark? Mobile phone. Okay, so mobile phone. Children listen. So objects having a at least one flat surface can slide. Okay, so this mobile phone flat surface. Okay, so this mobile phone flat surface. So this slide. Okay, so it will slide. Is it clear, ma? Okay, students. Next, book, ruler. Okay, so book, ruler. Next, dice. Okay, so this cube shape mark. So this fully slide. Okay, mobile phone, notebook, ruler and slide. Okay, so this fully slide. Okay, did you understand, ma? Okay, students. What did we learn in today, ma? What did we learn in today? Very good. So today we learned about shapes, roll and slide. Okay, dear students, today homework. Look at the slide, ma. Students listen. So today's homework, page number 83, worksheet number 9. Okay, worksheet number 9, ma, and page number 83. Okay, so this homework. So complete the worksheet number 9. Okay children, once again, today's homework, worksheet number 9 and page number 83. Okay. Thank you students. See you next class. Thank you dear.